What's up, boys? We took a break-even trade today. Market was moving really good at first, and then it started kind of dancing around. But let's just go over the logic of the trade. It's been a minute since I've made a recap. That's my bad. I've just honestly not been trading very well, and I actually blew my evaluation. So I'm waiting till my birthday to actually get another eval. I mean, I don't know if I can say it on here, but for obvious reasons. Um, so just gonna paper trade for 16 days until my birthday. So let's just go over this trade. So we have this 4-hour bullish fair value gap, right? That we bounced off once and then came back up a little bit, bounced off again. So we immediately knew that we probably will be coming up. So that was good confluence to be bullish. We were also had this order block right here. If we came down to here, it would be even more confluence to say that we are going to hit these draws all the way up here. I didn't really look at the hourly chart. I'm not going to lie. Kind of the same thing, the order block, fair value gap. There's some stacked up here and whatnot. So, went on to the 15-minute, and we identified that we have a not only one but two unfilled 15-minute gaps that I'm expecting us to draw towards, right? So that combined with, as you can see on the 1 minute, there were maybe it hasn't formed yet. Here, let's skip a little bit 1 sec. So we drew equal highs at some point. 1 second. Skip sort of the market open since I already did my analysis. Okay, yeah. So equal highs. That's what my draw on the day was, as well as London highs, right? Kind of had relative equal highs at Asia and London, right? And then we had these equal highs right here. And then we were drawing towards the 15-minute FVG and obviously being held up by this 4-hour and the order block, right? This was very, very good confluence to be bullish. All right, so let's see. Let's go to market open. Market opens. Yeah, so market opens. We kind of manipulate a little bit and then go down. I think some people may have taken shorts off market open. Not too sure, though. So we waited, and we wanted to see London get swept. So that's this red line. I'm tripping. I went way too far. So London gets swept, right? I didn't enter because we didn't have a resweep of this internal liquidity, and just wanted to see that before entering a trade. It just gives me more confidence. So we got that resweep, and we also hit we hit into this order block. So extra confidence to go higher, right? I believe I looked to see. So we have a tiny 3-minute. Like, I just took the 1 minute here. So we got the 1 minute inversion. I think it inversed the 3 anyways. So yeah. This was a trade that I took. We have our change in state delivery, and then of course the 1 minute inversion. So very nice trade. Pretty simple setup. Break even was right here. And so if we play this out, we go break even right here, and we eventually get hit out at break even. Not mad about it. Again, I'm only paper trading right now because I'm trying to get better, and I don't really want to blow more money on evals. And I'm just trying to wait till my birthday. So yeah, we go break even. I think it actually, if I'm not mistaken, goes to my drawn liquidity. Unfortunately, yeah. So it hits my drawn liquidity and also hits London highs. Let's see if it also hits my 15-minute draw. Looks like it leaves it untouched. That's kind of crazy. It's probably gonna sweep all this liquidity and then go higher. Eventually it'll get filled though. I mean, I have no doubt. But yeah. Not really much to say about this trade. I believe that on ES we put in an SMT right here. I could be wrong. Let me go on tripping. Yes. So that's. Hold up. I gotta take this indicator off. It was around. I think it was like 9. Yeah. So there was a SMT there. So I mean, even more confluence to say that we were going higher. It was a lot of confluence, man. I was very convicted with this trade. Pretty decent risk to reward. Just didn't work out. I mean, eventually ended up going towards my draw, but I'm not mad about break even there. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could have put this right under this low, sort of about here, and then targeted the internal level, but that's not really what I like to do. So, don't really have any P&L for the week to go over because I'm not trading on an evaluation. But I guess we can go over news. So today we obviously had Jolt's job openings at 9. So tomorrow we have 7:15 news. That's nice. That should give us a good target or a nice liquidity level. And then we also have 9 a.m. That's kind of annoying, but it's all good. I will be trading tomorrow. I'm off school tomorrow, so that's nice. Pretty good news tomorrow, so hopefully we can get a good setup, man. I don't really know what else to say. That's kind of all for today. Gonna try to be more consistent with my videos. Hooked up my camera today, so hopefully we can make some actual videos instead of just recaps. I mean, not educational yet. I wouldn't say that I'm good enough for educational videos yet. But just psychology videos, kind of just keeping you guys updated on how my psychology is doing, my trading and all that. Maybe even just like outside of the charts videos. I mean, I go to the gym, I do jujitsu and all that. So if y'all be interested in that, let me know. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.